Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Trail Armor mud flaps from Bushwacker on this Ford F-150. These mud flaps are made specifically for the pocket style fender flares, also from Bushwacker. While you get the style and function of the flares, these mud flaps enhance your truck and give you even better protection from road debris. The Trail Armor mud flaps are a great way to complement these flares while keeping your paint job safe. The Trail Armor mud flaps add an extra 10 inches of drop and 10 inches of tire coverage. They're sold in pairs and are available for all current model truck applications. These mud flaps are a flexible design and attach directly to the rear flares, ensuring for an easy install. We rate this a 1 out of 10 and it'll take you about 15 to 30 minutes just depending on your experience level. And just to note again, these mud flaps only work with Bushwacker's pocket style flares. The Bushwacker Trail Armor mud flaps are made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty.